We're back, gang. After a long holiday weekend, I got some new toys, new microphone there. I'm gonna start with unmasking some of this and seeing how it looks. After all that painting and priming, it's all dried up. Looks pretty good. During the break, I didn't really film much, but James and I did work on the carpet on the old parts car. Got the whole carpet swapped out. Looks real great. The musty smell's gone. Can you believe it? So let's see what we can get done today, because I really want to get this bodywork done. I mean, for real. So stay tuned. Found a couple spots I gotta touch up, but it's looking real good for an old spray can restoration. You know what I'm saying? Gonna start getting these touch-up spots masked off and start spraying on this side. Brady's gonna be here pretty soon with a template to test out the design for the panel that we're fabricating for that rusty rail over there. So I'm excited to see what he's got going on and excited to get this right side, passenger side, done on this old rusty Miata. Gonna start cleaning up this other side in preparation for painting and priming and painting and priming and welding once we get this patch all made up. Brady just got here with the template just now, and we're testing it up to see how it fits. Look at that. That's amazing. Brady's going to cut out the template gonna get some equipment. So I'm gonna start getting this rail cleaned up and prepped to weld, and then probably just keep trying to prep this side to get this wrapped up. Gosh, get it wrapped up. Brady just got here with the welder and the template. Look at that hot shit. Let's mock it up for you for a second. He's just getting the tank all fitted over here. Look at that shit. It's gonna be like brand new. Full restoration. Sorry, I lost the receipts. Lordy. Well, while Brady's setting up to weld, I decided to peel the tape off of this quarter panel dog leg. Doesn't look good, does it? Well, I'm gonna do the right thing. Just cover it up. Action. Brady got the welds all done. Would you have a look at that? I'm gonna get it POR treated and start wrapping this bodywork up. Well, guys and gals, we're wrapping things up here. Got the thing welded. It looks great. Brady did a good job. Props to Brady. I'm gonna finish up all this bodywork off camera. I know, you guys have seen enough. So I'm gonna spare you, but join us next time when we start on the fun stuff with the motor, getting it prepped up. It's gonna be super easy. So I hope it actually is, because I really wanna get this done before the spring rolls around here. But we're making good progress. I feel like we're back in the groove, back on the road to Boost.